Daisuke Tartuni je mirovniški aktivist, režiser, s katerim smo se spoznala na Cannskem mednarodnem filmskem festivalu pred 3 leti. Potem smo se redno videvala tudi na drugih filmskih festivalih in povedal mi je za svoj projekt Peace Rally, ali lahko bi poslovenili mirovniška dirka na nek način, na kateri z svojim oldtimerom potuje po celotnem svetu, da opozarja na kako vojna ni dobra in da v bistvu se ne splača in se bori za mir. No? So, Daisuke, be friendly greeted in Slovenska Bistrica. Could you tell us a bit about your project, about the trip, and how did you find yourself here?
Yeah, I just come over here to see my friend and wanted to see this town, and I am a Japanese peace activist. This car using go all over the world. That's why I come over here. No war, no atomic bomb. I am a Japanese. We sacrificed atomic bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That's why I never want to have a nuclear weapon. So just I'm come over here to show around. And I'm doing karate, and I went to Ukraine to give a trophy for them. And this time I'm using by my car, Stren, 1922, very old. And come over here to see this town. I saw lots of people is so kind to me. Here too, they repair my car for free, and I'm very touched for feeling this. And I love this country, Slovenia. Thank you so much. ありがとう。